Oh baby, spank me like that.
I said snooze, Chauncey.
Did you say you want me to snuggle in the sheets with you, big boy?
No, I said snooze for what?
That's right, you dirty little sex cat. Let's do this.
So how do you feel that this clock's been treating you lately?
Well, I mean, it's a good clock. It does its job. I mean, it wakes me up when I tell it to, and it keeps good time. I just feel like it's trying to move too fast. I'm just not ready for that kind of commitment right now. I wanna test a few other clocks and see how they work before I really, settle down with one particular clock.
What's up, Chauncey? I haven't heard from you in a little while. Alright, I'll be over in a little bit. You gonna put that nightie on I like? Cool. See you later. Hey, Chauncey, I'm here.
Wait a minute, baby. I'm taking a deuce.
Alright, just don't make a mess. I'll be out here waiting. So, how long have you and Jake been together?
For a few months. Ever since he bought me from a garage sale.
What is this stuff? It's got the most infuriating flavor I've ever heard of. Not to mention a nice color, and it's got 30 calories.
That is Zeke-Ade. It is the illest drink around.
By the way, you have the most beautiful eyes I've ever seen, Chauncey. They're blue and very luminous.
Thank you, baby. You should see my booty.
What the hell are you doing with my alarm clock?
It's not how it looks, Jake. I'm just having a little bit of a meal with Chauncey.
You don't understand how it is to be this sexy, Jake.
I don't even care, Chauncey. You're a dirty skank and it's over.
Well, he won't be back for a while. Do you want to go to the bedroom and get jiggy with it? Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Just like that. Oh yeah, baby.
What the hell happened?
I don't always drink energy drinks, but when I do, I drink Zeke-Ade. It's good stuff. Drink it. Demand it from your local 7-Eleven.